Welcome to Street Garage. I am Luis Guevara, and this is the 32nd annual Tri-City Corvette Show here in Beaumont, Texas, where hundreds of Corvette owners from across Southeast Texas and beyond has gathered here to show off the Corvette. So join us as we share with you all the sights and sounds of this event.
Hi, I'm Dan Coleman, owner of the C8 here. I've always been a car nut and I always go to car shows. It's a good camaraderie. A lot of people here have everything, a lot of things, same thing in common. And you always look around at a lot of the ones that are modified, give you more ideas of maybe what you want to do to your car. You can go from one extreme to the other. There's certain things that I probably wouldn't do, but to each his own. Everybody has their own thing that they want to do, and everybody, they look at it and, that's cool for them, and it may not be cool for me, but I mean, I enjoy seeing them all. They're all fun to look at. And it brings something to every age group when they come here. I mean, there's certain cars here that attract a lot of the younger people, and you'll see a lot of the new model 28s here, and that seems to be the appealing to the older generation, but there's some really cool cars here.
I always say I'm done, and then I end up with that and the next show.
Yeah.
It's a 2021 Corvette Stingray. I had never been to a car show. I had no intention of doing anything at all special. And I found a couple of things along the way that kind of went with Yellow Jacket, and I added those. And the next thing you knew, it had just taken on a life of its own. Started going to shows and it got a lot of attention. The yellow color, a lot of people don't really think they don't like yellow, but the way it's put together with the red and the black accents on the yellow, it makes it really pop. I really enjoy seeing other cars and what people have done with their cars, and it gives me new ideas of how to put things together. I would do one thing and it would look good, but I would say, well, gosh, you should have dressed this part of it up too. And then I would do that, and then I'd find something else. The interior took about 10 takes or so before I finally got it to the point of, yeah, this looks really good. And actually, I added something to it for this show. I don't think it ever ends.
It's never enough for you.
I don't think so.
What I love about it most is the power. 650 horses. It'll go. Got a 2019 Corvette Z06. Ever since I was a kid, I always wanted one. And I told myself, when I grow up and can afford one, I'm gonna get me one. And here I am. Get to meet a lot of people who like Corvettes, cars, period. It's cool. When you think you've seen everything, you see something else. It's you get ideas at these car shows to add to yours. This color is Long Beach red. I've always had torch red. And when I saw this one, time for a change.
Basically, we have a C8 Corvette 2025 model. It's an E-Ray version, which is the electrified version of a regular C8. So this has the same pushrod motor as a regular Stingray, but it has the electric assist in the front of an extra 160 horsepower that gives it an all-wheel drive. Basically, it's a hybrid. The preparation for an event like this is detailed, time extensive. I mean, you have to wash every part of the car that the judge might judge. I mean, the bottom of the car, inside the wheels, all around the trim pieces, make sure you don't have any quarters in the back of your seat, kind of things, because they take out points for that. So there's a lot of detail in preparing your car for a show like this. Every Corvette owner loves their car and they love other people's cars. So it's basically, we all come together for an event like this on an annual basis and just give back to the community too. We have charities with the Tri-City Corvette Club. We give to the Southeast Texas Food Bank, the Giving Field, Blue Santa, Humane Society. Those are just some of the few that we give to. And this money draws other clubs in from other areas. We have 13 or 14 different club members coming in from Louisiana, Fort Worth, Dallas. I mean, here to the Austin, San Antonio areas. Everybody takes a lot of pride in their cars and their work and the detail and to perfection. And people, when they're showing their car off, they talk about it. Well, I did this, I did that, you know, and they're basically selling their car and their work they put into their car. Every Corvette owner probably talks that way.
Guys, what a great show. See the faces and the people that I love the most and all these beautiful cars and the whole entire building for the Corvettes. It's an incredible feeling. All the vehicles, all the people, especially, I want to thank the Tri-City Corvette Show for thinking about me by partnering and coming over and show what we do, because we do what we love. Thank you, Southeast Texas, for the support. We love you. Till the next time.